Ambassador. My name is Charlene Danicambosa Escasinas, and I'm a Book Ambassador. I assist people on finding the perfect books they want to read, and I also maintain the cleanliness and neatness of the books to be presentable for others. I create a welcoming space for people to discover books, join events, and feel connected. I support activities, engage with visitors, and make sure the experience is meaningful. Well, it gives me opportunities to interact with other people who are at work and also from outside of work. You deserve opportunities and you can thrive, be understood, and be proud of who you are.
The Autism Society Philippines and Book Nook has been in a partnership since 2025. And this is a unique and profound partnership because both parties already have their very strong, very deeply rooted advocacy. Book Nook wants to open the world of knowledge to Filipinos young and old, and the Autism Society Philippines wants to open up our society to acceptance, accommodation, and appreciation of young people on the autism spectrum. It is never easy to hire persons on the autism spectrum. There will always be opportunities to learn both for the employer and the employee.
Ano yan?
We have selected
Narol.
Book Nook to be the ASB Autism Works Partner of the Year because it is so evident
Kasama
that
nila,
their
yung
their advocacy as
Professor
well
yan.
as to ours continues to grow as the
Professor.
partnership deepens. Congratulations, Book Nook. Congratulations, Ms. Shirley. And we look forward to an even deeper partnership towards an autism okay
Yung
Philippines.
professor sa UP yun. Tutulong. Vlogger din.
We proud